Hey guys, let's see how to reset a Tapo C400. So I have the camera already working here, close to my window. If I want to reset, there are different ways. One of them is just come here to the menu and reset from here. That's the case if you have the camera already working and you want to reset it using the cell phone, right? So just come here to the main menu, all the way down, and here see the option to remove the camera. There is no reset camera info here, but you can just remove the camera, which is the same of resetting, right? So when I tap here, you're gonna hear the camera saying that it's being reset. So let's just observe. I tap here and I confirm.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, as you can hear, the camera says that's being reset. And here you're gonna see the LED flashing red and green, which is common for the setup. The camera is ready for the setup. Then you just need to come here. You see the camera is no longer available here. You come here to the Tapo app. Here on the top, you just hit the plus signal, add a new device, and then you can start the setup again. You select outdoor camera, look for your Tapo C400, then you start the process. You see that's flashing red and green, so we are good to go. It's going to connect here via Bluetooth, so just remember to have the Bluetooth enabled on your cell phone. And there's this nice animation. The cell phone is going to find the camera and add the camera. And then later, the cell phone can inform the camera which Wi-Fi to use. And continue from there. There we go. I'm gonna select this Wi-Fi. Give the password. Hit next. Next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected and the LED here is going to change from red to green. You see steady green, that means the camera is good. And then connect to Alexa. You can just name your camera. If you have Alexa available, it's going to connect. You just name your camera, select the location, next, select an icon, next. It's going to offer you to record into the cloud with the 30-day trial. You can accept that if you want to. There we go. I'm gonna just dismiss this, and it's going to find a hub in your network if you have some storage, such as some hub from Tapo. If you don't, you're just gonna see the option for the SD card. I have a hub here. I'm gonna just hit maybe later here. Here's the SD card. I can just format it. Here's the information about the firmware update. Just hit got it. Extra information here. And you're good to go. Okay, I'll just put the camera back there and you see the camera is back working after the reset. That's one way to go. I'm just showing here how you can reset from here and set up again. But let's say you don't have access to the camera menu anymore. You can reset by pressing a button here. Let me just grab the camera. You see here, there's a reset button just right here. So that's the physical reset now. You can do the same. Just press here, hold, and wait for it at least 10 seconds. And you're gonna see that flashing fast.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, you can just close this rubber feet here. Put the camera here. And I can do all over again. You see that's flashing here. Red and green is ready for the setup one more time, but now I just did the physical reset. So just come here to your Tapo app, to the plus signal, add a device, and start over. Outdoor camera, look for the C400. It's already red and green. Now the camera is going to connect to your cell phone via Bluetooth. Wait for it to connect. It's pretty fast. Next step is just to inform which Wi-Fi to use. Basically your router and your password. There we go. Here's my router and my password. I hit next. Wait for it to connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
Very good. Alexa found it again. Just wait for it to complete the setup. give the camera a name, next, select a location, next, select an icon, next, and it's complete. Next one more time. This means here, this cloud storage. Gonna just hit maybe later for the Tapo hub. Got it for the SD card, and got it for the firmware update. Okay, so the camera is good. More information here, hit next. Next one more time. You just need to wait a little bit, read the information here, and then you hit next. And there we go. Here's some information about the angle, information about the camera installation, just hit next as well. And exit the setup, and you're good to go. You see your camera here, Tapo C400, and it's working one more time, okay? So basically that's the way you can reset your Tapo C400, two ways of resetting the camera, right? One via the Tapo app. You can do this remotely, so you don't need to go to your camera, or you can just physically reset by pressing a button here under this rubber flat. I hope that helps. Please subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.